Hi everyone, welcome to Super20 Institute. Today we are going to discuss the CBSE 2018 exam paper. We'll start with section A and question 1. This section consists of questions which are basically of 1 marks question. So let's start with the question 1. It says if x equal 8 is one root of the quadratic equation and the equation is given by x square minus 2kx minus 6 equals 0, then find the value of k. So first of all, let's see what we have given. We have given the equation, quadratic equation, which is x square minus 2kx minus 6 equals 0. And one of the root is x equals 3. So you have given the root. What does that mean? That means that this root, x equals 3, if you put x equals 3 in the quadratic equation, it should satisfy the equation. Let's start by putting x equals 3 in equation. Let's name this equation as 1. So by putting this in equation 1, we'll get 3 square minus 2k3 minus 6 equals 0. Solving this, we'll get 9 minus 6k minus 6 equals 0. Solve this further, you'll get 9 minus 6 equals positive 3. So minus 6k remains the same, and 9 minus 6 will give you positive 3 equals 0. Now take this positive 3 on the other side, you'll get minus 6k equals minus 3. And this minus and minus get cancelled out. So you'll further get 6k equals 3 and k equals 3 by 6 if you take 6 on the other side too. So which is also equals to 1 by 2. So in the end you'll get the value of k as 1 by 2, which is your answer.